हेलो एवरीवन, राधे राधे आप सभी को। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल इन योर स्टडी एंड लाइफ। टुडे आई एम going to share my 10-hour study challenge. Today I started my day with current affair, and this video is about a weekly current affair, and I studied it very well. And after that I study about data sufficiency. And this video lecture is about data sufficiency, and sir explained data sufficiency in very well manner. I complete this class completely, and after that I feel very confident about the data sufficiency classes. And after that I study about critical reasoning classes, because the recent examination critical reasoning play a very vital role in the examination. After completing my critical reasoning class, I give a mock, and after that I read a tutorial and vocab in daily basis in the YouTube channel. In YouTube channel, you can choose to study about tutorial, and this is all about my morning daily routine. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.